share with you how to create a GMB, and in order for you to be able to do that, you have to have a Gmail account. And I already have a Gmail account, this one, Social Web Pros, and I already have a GMB, which is a Google My Business account here. But I'm going to start a new one. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go here, another account. And now if you don't have an account, you're going to have to Google gmail.com, and then you'll be prompted to start a new account. If you already have an account, you just do what I did, and then this comes up, and then you go to create a new account or create an account. For myself, and in this case I'm doing one for a customer. His name is Tony Cardona, and he's doing a power washing. So I'm gonna say power washing I'm just gonna say Ventura County. Okay, see if that sticks. And I'm going to do a password, a temporary password. I'll just say let's say Tony 123, Tony 123. This way I can remember it. And I'm going to go next to see if this is available. Ventura County Power Washing. Make sure I spelled it right. Ventura County Power Washing at gmail.com. Okay. Next. Okay, so we'll go 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Oops. Tony 1, 2, 3, 4. Please choose a stronger. Okay, well, dang it. We'll do capital T, Tony 1, 2, 3, 4 $. Usually making some money. Tony 1, 2, 3, 4 $. That should be strong enough. Let's see. Yep. And I gotta get a number, so I need to pause this for a second, because I'll put the business number. The business number is going to be different, so they're going to send me a code to verify. Yep. So let me see what this code is. So I just got it. So 631191. Okay. So then I'm going to enter an email address to a recovery, social web pros at G. And then I'm just going to enter whatever date here, it doesn't matter. February 14th, Valentine's Day, I'll do 2000. Gender, male. Okay, so that should do it there. I skip this. Okay. I agree to this. And there you go, it's coming. And that's it. It's pretty much done. Okay, so this is the Gmail account. So you have to set this up to be able to start a GMB. Got it? So then now I'm going to move this up here a little higher so you guys can see. I'm going to go to come on, Google My Business. Okay. I do need to log out of this account. Otherwise, it's going to interfere with the new account I just set up. So I'll log out. Close this out. Let Google My Business populate. Oh, dang it. That I logged out. Okay, let me go sign in here. To Ventura County Power Washing. So basically, this, your main Gmail account needs to be the one you're setting up. Keep going. And I said Tony 1234 $. Right? Yeah, save it. Okay, so now I want to go to, yeah, see Google My Business is not here. So I need to go to Google My Business. So I need to do that again. Unless it's here. Nope. So Google My Business. Jeez. How many times do I have to do this? My computer's really slow. I lost speed when on the last update. I'm on a Mac, on a MacBook Pro, and it's just the last time it updated, it just made it really slow. So anyway, so here I am on Google My Business. Let's see if I can lower this a little bit. Gosh darn it. Just taking so everything is hard when these things are so slow. Manage now. I'm gonna go to so here this is where you start the business. So it's Ventura County Power Washing. It's not counting, it's county. Gotta be real careful with your spelling. Ventura County Water Pressure Specialist. My bad. So Ventura County Water Pressure Specialist. Ventura County Water Pressure Specialist. Such a long name. Okay, so you want to try not to be so long and wordy, but that's what he chose. Ventura County Water Pressure Specialist. Anyway, just want to make sure I spelled it right. Okay. Add to Google. Oh, dang it. Here we go again. Ventura County Water Pressure Specialist. Okay. Ventura County Water Pressure. Okay. Next. Choose a category. Pressure washing. See, so you just gotta know what how to start the title, and then it pops up. But again, it's just really slow. So anyway, I'm gonna pause it until it populates. I can't stop it. Okay, so anyway, the previous screen, you guys didn't see it, but I chose it and I went next, and then now it's asking these questions. Do you want to add a location for customer service like a store? No, because we pressure wash. We go to their location. Where do you serve your customers? So I'm gonna say Oxnard, California, Camarillo, California, Ventura, Thousand Oaks. Come on, this thing's so slow. I don't know why it does this. Okay, Thousand Oaks, Simi Valley, Moore Park, what else? Newbury Park, Newbury Park, Somis. Okay, so that's, you can add as many as you want. And then this is where I need to add the phone number of the business and the website, which I'm still working on. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to pause here and do it later. It won't let me. Okay, so I'll just pause here.